As per the latest information, we have got that one COVID-19 positive person from Gosaigao Quarantine Center. So we appeal to the administration to take the patients to their respective places. And we have received that the patient has been brought coming to Kokrazar for medical treatment. So we, on behalf of the people of Kokrazar district, we appeal to the administration to take the patients to their respective districts so that it might not affect here, because here in Kokrazar district we are still in the green zone. And from Bodoland Students Union, from our side, we appeal to the people of Assam to maintain social distance and to abide by the rules given by the government of India during the crisis of this COVID. Students Union met Governor of Assam, and today, as the day of COVID-19 crisis, we appeal to the Governor of Assam to the people who are in quarantine in Kokrazar district. So they are in a congested room. So we appeal to the Governor of Assam to maintain properly so that it might not affect the other people. And secondly, we appeal to the Governor of Assam, those people who are in quarantine campus, they are freely moving outside from their campus and they are marketing, so people are in a very fear. So we requested Honorable Governor of Assam to look into the matter. And we also appeal to the Governor that the people who are in quarantine from other districts of Assam, so they should be put to their respective places. So the people who are in quarantine, only those people who are from Kokrazar, they can be put here. And lastly, we appeal to the Governor of Assam to conduct the election as early as possible, looking into the crisis situation. Or we requested also to the Governor of Assam to extend the government to the ruling government, BPF-led government, because the people here in BTC are facing lots of hardships. Now they are becoming like a guardianless. So these things we appeal to.